Here's how to unlock a Straight Talk phone for any carrier using the free official method in just 2 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to check eligibility first so you do not waste time on an unlock request. First, check if your phone is already unlocked. If you have an iPhone, open the carrier lock information in your settings. If you have an Android phone, insert another carrier's SIM card if you can and see whether the device connects. Once you've checked that, dial *##06# and write down the 15-digit IMEI number shown on your screen. Next, make sure your phone qualifies for Straight Talk's official unlock program. Check that your device is eligible under the current unlock policy, your account is in good standing, and the required active service period has been completed. Keep in mind that eligibility can depend on when the phone was activated. Then, contact Straight Talk through its official unlock process or support team. You'll see an eligibility check and may be asked for your IMEI and account details. Enter the requested information carefully and submit your unlock request. After that, wait for Straight Talk to review your request. Eligible devices can take up to 2 business days to process. You'll receive instructions if your phone qualifies. For Android devices, you may need to enter an unlock code or follow the steps provided. For iPhones, insert a compatible SIM card from your new carrier after approval. Now, test your phone by making a call, sending a text, and checking mobile data. If everything works, the unlock was successful. If you don't see this option, there is another way. Double-check your activation date, service history, and IMEI status. Make sure the phone was not reported lost or stolen. Contact Straight Talk for a manual eligibility review, and if needed, wait until the required service period is complete before submitting another request. If your unlock request is denied, do not pay for third-party IMEI unlocking services as your first option. Eligible Straight Talk phones can be unlocked for free through the official process. Once everything is set, your eligible Straight Talk phone will accept compatible SIM cards from other carriers and can be activated on a supported network. Following the simple steps makes unlocking a Straight Talk phone for any carrier quick and easy.